I had no idea that anybody ever lived to be 100 years old. I just kept going every day and worked and did my thing, and the next thing I know, I'm 100 years old. This is a piece that I had already to go, and we'll see. I don't even know what it is for sure, but we're going to turn a bowl out of it. When you turn a bowl, a decent bowl, a good bowl, out of a nice piece of wood, it can last for generations. Those are the last two pieces that I turned. People like to say, well, my grandfather made that. That's your legacy, you know, that's what you're going to hand down. My name is Bow Hawks. I'm a woodturner, and I'm 100 years old.